Last evening, in a shock move, the Reserve Bank of India took control of Yes Bank and restricted withdrawals at 50,000 rupees per account. Customers and equity shareholders are understandably anxious. But frankly, there is no need to panic. We'll answer all the important questions on what's happening with the bank. Why did the RBI supersede the Yes Bank board? Well, the RBI said it was taking this step because of a serious deterioration in the financial health of the bank. It has superseded the board of Yes Bank for 30 days and said it would swiftly work on a revival plan to restore depositors' confidence. Is another bank taking over Yes Bank? Well, the State Bank of India board has given an in-principle approval to invest in the Yes Bank. Former SBI CFO Prashant Kumar has also been appointed as administrator for Yes Bank. A consortium of state-owned financial institutions led by SBI will possibly come up with a rescue plan. So is your money safe? Well, anyone who has their money parked in a bank with withdrawal restrictions will be worried. But experts we spoke to say there is no need to panic. Remember this, you are not losing your money because RBI, the country's regulator, and the government are actively handling the affairs at the bank. Now, the RBI in a statement said, and I quote, "The Reserve Bank assures the depositors of the bank that their interest will be fully protected," unquote. What are the restrictions on depositors then? Well, a depositor cannot withdraw more than 50,000 rupees from their Yes Bank account until April 3rd. Now, this is irrespective of how many accounts you may have with Yes Bank and applies to both current and savings accounts as well. Also, if depositors have dues payable to the bank, those will be adjusted before any withdrawals. Are there exemptions wherein depositors can withdraw more money? Yes. In case of a medical emergency, one can withdraw more money. You can also withdraw more towards the cost of higher education, and the limit will also not apply if you need to pay obligatory expenses related to marriage and any other unavoidable emergency circumstances. But remember, you cannot withdraw more than 5 lakh rupees or the amount of the money that is in the accounts, whichever is less. So what should depositors do? Well, experts say you can withdraw as much as you can within the limit and also transfer it to another bank. For the rest of the funds, take a decision only after April 3rd or until RBI really comes up with a rescue plan. If you have monthly installments, EMIs, inform your lender. Get a new bank account registered immediately and also pay EMIs from that account. Your lender will not classify this as a default, but talk to your lender right now. For SIP investments or maybe insurance premiums, which must go out of your Yes Bank account, inform your fund house or insurance company about the development. Register another bank details with them. Ensure that you also have funds in that account as well. Now, if you have initiated a redemption from your mutual fund, your fund house will most likely put a stop if the proceeds are on the way to your Yes Bank account. Now, reach out to your fund house, explain the problem to them, and also get a new account registered or ask your fund house to also give you a check as redemption. If you have also received your salary or do receive your salary in Yes Bank, chances are that the next salary will be credited in next 25 days. Speak to your employer and either register another bank with them or also ask for a check. In both these cases, there could be a small delay for you to receive the funds. So what should you know if you are an Yes Bank employer? Well, Yes Bank has been prohibited from making any kind of loans or investments or disburse any kind of payments. The bank has, however, clarified that it will be able to pay the salaries to its more than 20,000 employees as well as rents and also clear bills as already received.